How's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
I said, how's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
Dear future officers, I have heard from a lot of people. Everybody says SSB is very tough. The selection rate is 0.1%. There are 8 to 10 lakh people who appear for written test for NDA and as well as for the CDS also. And then approximately 10,000 people are called for SSB interview, and still approximately 400 people are selected in each category. Gentlemen, I feel SSB is not at all tough. I always tell my candidates that to become an officer in defense forces is the easiest gateway, because if you have got all qualities and all-rounder qualities, if you are the right man for this right job, they will not let you come back. You will be recommended on 5th day, you will be retained there, you will undergo a process of medical. You will be thoroughly checked by all medical specialists. It takes 4-5 days, and after that again you come back, a merit list will come, and again you are called for training. And after one completion of successful training, you become an officer in Army, Air Force, Navy. There is no difficulty. It is the people who go for SSB. Let me tell you type of attitudes. First attitude, which I have been discussing. Some people say they just go for SSB interview. I don't know from where it fits into the mind. Sir, वहाँ तो सब natural लोगों को लेते हैं. अरे, that's okay. But who says you should not prepare? Who says you should not know current affairs? You should know how to write story. You should know how to attempt this SRTs. You should know what all questions can be asked to you in your interview. How to fill up the PIQ form. You don't want to do anything. You just go, just walk around, and you think you will be selected. Let me tell you, no test in the world can be cleared like this. Kindly prepare. This is one category. There is another category. They say, if you ask them how is the preparation, they say, sir, वो first time जा रहे हैं, experience हो जाएगा. Second time sir कर देंगे. Why? Why you are wasting a chance? Let me tell you, I never go into economics, but when you miss one SSB, you become 6 months junior to your course mate, classmates, friends. And then these 6 months also have got uncertainty. Even the, you can say, feeling of rejection remains in your mind. Your parents are also worried. Then you are going to school or college. You are doing two things. By now you should have been independent and doing training, but now you are into two boats. You have to attend college also. And if you work economics wise, missing going junior by 6 months is getting you loss of 6 lakhs approximately. Work out a pay of a lieutenant. 6 months you are become junior, 6 lakhs you have lost. Calculate that way. Why not to prepare well? This was the second category जो पहली बार experience के लिए जा रहे हैं. There is another category who compare themselves with the friends. Let me tell you, do not go by history. When you had worked hard more than your friends, your percentage in 10th and 12th was more than your friends. Because you got as per what you worked, your friend got what he worked. But now there may be chances that your friend would have worked much more than you. His hard work would have been much more than you. And when your friends get selected, firstly these people started telling, sir, I was the class topper the person who was slogging at 10th or 15th position, they have been selected. Well, it was their day. They have worked, they have slogged, they have performed well. When you did well, you got first position. They got 15th, they got 10th position. Today they have performed. So don't go by comparison. I even remember one of my students who did not prepare, and when I asked him why you did not prepare, he tells me, as his sister is a defense officer, he says, सर हम तो दीदी से कभी से ही अव्वल थे, जब दीदी अफसर बन सकती है तो हम भी बन ही जाएंगे. And I think by now he has missed, I think, more than a dozen of chances. Now he has realized he is not better than his didi. His didi has become a major and still he is slogging. This is another category who make SSB difficult. Let me tell you, put in your best. Put in your best in physical fitness. Keep your weight balanced. And don't be in that category. सर जिस दिन रनिंग करना होता है मैं कर लेता हूँ और जिस दिन मुझे ऑब्स्टेकल करने हो सर मैं कर लूँगा. If you have not practiced, I can give in writing, you will not be able to do it. You have to practice. Every day go for at least 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer run, which is nothing at your age from 18 to 24. Go, my advice, go for 5 kilometer run every day. Do some push-ups, chin-ups. It will build up your stamina, your body will be tougher and fit, your weight will remain balanced. When you will do individual obstacles, you will not have arm string. Your muscles will not be pulled. You will not have hamstring. Let me tell you, and very comfortably and very confidently you will do it. Half of the people do not perform well in individual obstacle and progressive group tasks and half group tasks because they do not have stamina. They are not confident of themselves even in crossing obstacle or even carrying a fatta. Let me tell you, this is the basic problem which gives hesitation. I can see their legs shivering when they go to individual obstacles. This is another category. There is another category which makes SSB difficult. I know English is not compulsory in SSB, but certainly it is a preferred language. English is a preferred language not of SSB, now it's of the entire world. There are people who are not very good at communication skill. And when you tell them that you need to improve your English, their answer automatically comes out. सर जहाँ ज़रूरत होती है मैं बोल लेता हूँ सर, डिस्कशन भी कर लेता हूँ. But let me tell you, in SSB people come so prepared that they won't give you chance to speak even once during group discussion. And they are so fast that any idea which in case you have got, that idea would have already been spoken by somebody else who has taken the lead. So, improve your communication skills. It will be handy to you. It adds to your personality. When you speak, people should be listening to you. You should be using appropriate and suitable words. I am not telling you to use very big words. I am not telling you to use the words for which people need dictionary. I am telling you to use simplest of words which a other person understands. Let me tell you, SSB is not difficult. Kindly be prepared for current events. There are people who have never listened to the news. They have not referred to a newspaper, and these days e-newspaper are available to everyone. Gone are the days when people either could listen to news by radio or TV. Now number of channels are available. You don't have TV in your house, then e-newspaper is there. And if you have got TV in your house, select a national channel like Rajya Sabha TV, Lok Sabha TV, BBC India, which gives you perfect knowledge about the current affairs. I am talking from the student point of view. These can be handy because you have got shortage of time also. You have to prepare your syllabus also, you have to prepare your file also, you have to prepare your SSB also. Let me tell you, there are channels available. Your phone, When you talk to your friend, maybe any important thing you are discussing, discuss that. But after that, don't start asking, और क्या हो रहा है, कल क्या कर रहे हो? Ask particular thing. What is happening in Afghanistan? What is India doing about the coal crisis? Talk useful. Make a group of 4 or 5 people. Not more than that. Don't make a mela out of it. And discuss positive things. Remain positive. Discuss national issues, international issues. SSB is not difficult. How many international issues are going on? Maybe 10, 12, 15? Not more than 2 dozens? Similarly, maybe a dozen of national issues. And let me tell you, it is adding to your knowledge. It is not only for the defense officers who should know about the country or know about the world. A common citizen should know. I met a person who said he is fully prepared. When I asked him, again, a famous state, where is Mizoram? He said, sir, it is in Karnataka. I thought I have asked a wrong question. I again repeated myself. He said, sir, it is in Karnataka and I have got a paper cutting also. See how overconfident he is. Gentlemen, it is lack of preparation, lack of involvement which makes SSB difficult. To become an officer is the easiest thing, because if you have got in you, they will not let you come back. They will recommend you, get your medical done, and they will dispatch you for training. Thank you. If you have liked this video, kindly share and subscribe. And in case you have got any queries, kindly post them in the comment box.